really good. Hey friends! I'm celebrating this Memorial Day by making a patriotic drink. Now let's see how I do it. You need some ice. You need a nice cup. You also need cranberry juice, which is 27 grams of sugar. And you need any white drink, and this has 21 grams of sugar. And this, you can get any blue drink, and this has 0 sugar. In honor of people who gave their life for this country, we decided to visit our local cemetery. I saw many flags and flowers planted for each person who died for our country. For those who don't know about Memorial Day, it is celebrated on the last Monday in the month of May. It is a federal holiday that celebrates the brave men and women who died serving our country. When I saw all the flags and flowers, it reminded me of a saying, all gave some, but some gave all. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it too. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope you have a safe and happy Memorial Day. Bye-bye.